Good day, my people. How you na dey today? Our today's topic na you dey sell something you no fit explain. My brother, how you go dey sell something? Maybe wig, maybe ankara, maybe website design. But once person ask you, "Oga, wetin exactly you dey sell?" You go begin fumble. You go dey talk plenty grammar. You go talk like herbalist mixing roots. Oh, we offer synergistic, scalable, holistic solutions for growth-minded entrepreneurs. Auntie, uncle, na wetin be that? Let me break am down for you. If you no fit explain your business clearly, nobody go believe say you sabi wetin you dey do. No be every customer get time to decode your packaging. People dey scroll fast, dey move fast. If you no grab at ten tion quick, dem go bounce. Ask yourself, can I explain my business in one sentence? If person wake me up by 2 a.m. and ask, "What do you sell?" Wetin I go talk? If your answer long pass intro of Nollywood movie, my brother, my sister, you dey sell confusion, no be value be that. Let me gist you. One guy dey sell herbal oil. His product good but hear how he dey pitch am. This oil is a multi-purpose, bioactive, transformational enhancer for wellness-based individual. Bros, na rub or na fly dey kill am with? Tell me now, if I no understand wetin you sell, I go move on. Very simple. Your customer no be JAMB candidates. Dem no come exam center. Dem just wan know one thing: can you solve our problem? So stop using big words to sound professional. Professional no mean convincing o. Instead of saying, "We help brand accelerate market traction through storytelling frameworks," say, "I help small business create simple videos that bring customers." No shame in being clear o. Clarity na real confidence. Because if customer no understand, customer no go buy o. Let's bring it home. To make your business pitch strong, just answer 4 basic questions. Forget branding agencies and pre-grammar. Start here. Number 1, what do you sell? Is it food, clothes, website design? Just be direct. Number 2, who is it for? Is it students, busy parents, small business owner, etc. Number 3, what problem does it solve? Are you saving time? Are you reducing stress? Are you boosting confidence, or you are trying to improve income? Number 4, why should they trust you? Do you have results, testimonial? Do you deliver fast and well? Let's take a clear example. I sell native footwear for working class men who want comfort and class. I deliver anywhere in Nigeria. I've served over 500 customers. That one line don't do pass many 2-minute voice notes filled with So go write your own version. No post product again until you get clear answers to those 4 questions. Now imagine this. You enter lift. A stranger beside you says, "I've seen your page online." What do? You now have 15 seconds before lift go open. This is what we call elevator pitch. Your business in one hot, sharp sentence. No be time to explain vision, mission, and company values. You know they apply low for a year. Now awareness you dey build. So practice your elevation speech like you dey prepare for proposal. Here is the formula. I help you solve what problem with what solution. For example, I help bakers get more online orders by designing flyers and managing their Instagram. Clear, sharp, no confusion. If you dey run business and you still dey stammer to describe am, e mean say you never believe am 100%. Confidence dey your pitch and confidence dey come from preparation. Go write your own pitch now. Try am for mirror. You go know wetin I dey talk. Your offer na like jollof rice. If e too watery, nobody go chop o. If e too dry, nobody go enjoy. But if you just right, customers go clear plates. So how you go dey make your offer sweet? Number one, speak clear. Use word your audience understand. If your audience na Yoruba, speak Yoruba. If your audience na Englishman, speak correct English. And if na Hausa man, if you no understand Hausa, speak our normal Nigeria pidgin English. Such person go understand. Number two, no long talk o. Get to the point. This is what you do, this is what you do. This is what you are trying to achieve. Just let them know. Get to the point. Number three, show results, not effort. Like I will manage your page, no sweet reach. I will grow your page reach 5k followers. So you sef see the difference now. Use voice note or video for number four, cause hearing your voice add trust to it. Number five, update your profile, flyer and bio. People who should know immediately what you do. Let's compare two bios together. Now, this first bio, digital strategist, vision coach, scalable solutions, versus I help small business grow online using videos and context. That's a very simple one. Which one you go click, my brother? You know be about being fancy. Na clarity dey bring coin. The truth be say na clear water dey sell fast o. Confused offer go chase customer like pepper soup chase sore throat. Let me break am. You can have best service, fine logo, sweet flyer, but if your message no sharp, sales go slow like network inside village. No use big words to hide small progress. No use fancy grammar to avoid clear value. When person visits your page or listen to your voice notes, make sure they feel say, oh, I know what this person does and I know who it's for. That's how conversion happen. No convince your audience. No convince yourself. Now you go speak bold, sell clear and win loud. This na Street MBA with Kapick. No conviction, just conversion. Class don close for today. Apply the lesson learned. Share it.